this box couldn't have come at a better time. It's just a miserable, miserable, rainy, yucky day out. The kind of day where I don't go out and pretty much stay in bed all day, so. But I got my Lion brand from their sale where they had 70% off. And I could not resist. I still had enough money left in the bank to buy cat food. So, let's see here what we got. I do know they had that real fluffy, the faux fur. It's called faux, F-A-U-X fur yarn on sale. And it was 70% off. And that's really nice for edgings, for slippers and collars and shawls. And I want to make my friend something, and I haven't decided what I want to make her yet. My polymer artist friend Melba. Sealed up good. It's a little damp from the weather, but it didn't get wet. They actually put it up on my deck right in front of my door, so my delivery people are usually very good around here. Except for the people who deliver my hobby or Hobie yarn. Either deliver it to the wrong place or deliver it with the box open and parts missing. But the last one came through. And I will give Hobie a whole lot of credit for excellent customer service. They honored their Black Friday prices. I was able to get the stuff I wanted to get. Because I told them, you're looking to lose a customer. And bottom line is you don't want to lose customers. So what have we got? Oh, I say I bought sparkly yarn. Oh, yeah. Hope you get to see this. Sparkly yarn. Ooh, what's this? This is Boogie Nights. Somebody reminds me, didn't the Bee Gees do a song called Boogie Nights? It's 149 yards, 3 ounces. And what's the weight on it? It looks like a 4-weight. It probably is a 4-weight because I'm not crazy about the real thin weights. Oh, this says bulky 5, believe it or not. I'm surprised. Can you see it? Bulky 5. Oh, get down off of there. Smudge. I'm telling you, this cat is just, sometimes he's just a thorn in my side. Here we go. Go for fur. For faux sparkle. It's black and furry and sparkly. That's a win-win. And it looks like I got a whole lot of these. Blitz. This one's called Blitz. Boogie Nights. Again, bulky 5 with the sparkle. Ooh, and here's, which one is this? Oh, this is pretty. This is called Star. Star. It's white with some shimmer in it. Light shimmer. Oh man, I got a whole bunch of this stuff. All right. All of it was 70% off. So yeah, we went crazy. Oh, look, I forgot I got this. Oh, what did we get? Homespun. Homespun. Oh, look at it. There's the three cakes in here. Can you see? Homespun. Yeah, Smudge came over and rubbed his head up against the camera and knocked it right down on the floor. Made me so mad. Looks like I got a whole bunch of those, so we'll see what we can make. That's really pretty colors, though. Should having a hard time getting good shots for you. But here's the box full of yarn. It's packed, baby. It is packed. Oh, yes. This is the homespun. 176 ounces, 185 yards. What's the colorway? It's a 5-weight, and this is called Circus. Really pretty colors. And then I got a lot of sparkle yarns and faux fur yarns. These are more specialty yarns used for trims and whatnot. But that's good for the stash. You put that away in the stash. Because really I want to start working on some light shawls, not heavy shawls. What color is this homespun? This is also circus, so I got plenty of circus to make, so like if I wanted to make a nice vest. 70% off, guys. You're sorry, you can't pass that up. You just can't. You have to buy it. Because you don't know when you'll see a 70% off sale again. That's amazing savings. So I bought plenty to make stuff, you know, sparkly hats, sparkly shawls. I love sparkle. But I have to pull out my Hobie yarn today with the thread and the cone thread and start working on a shawl for my friend Melba. I'm going to use Jada in stitches. She has a nice pattern. It's a rectangle. It's not, you know, it's not a triangular. It's nice to drape over your shoulders and your arms for a slightly chilly spring day or a cool summer night. And it's got, you know, maybe a nice Easter colors, spring colors. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. And of course, here's Rascal. Hi, Rascal. You snipping? So what do you got? He's like Crystal for Bag a Day. He's got to snip the yarn. I snip the yarn too. It's like, ooh, smell of yarn. Smells good. And it's scarfable. Yes. All right, Rascal. Mommy's going to put it all away. Looks a little bit better in here, but I still don't have enough room. Oh my goodness. I'm going to move the camera just to get over to the chair. But I have used a plastic tablecloth from Dollar Tree, which is like, what, $1-ish now. I'll try that for a green screen. And I won't know if it works until I get into the photo and then put it in the computer and editing software and try to do the Chroma Key. There we go. Hi, folks. Welcome to my yarn barf room. It's like a Chinese number puzzle in here, but I made progress, and considering with what I deal with my back, I'm just pleased that there's some progress. And that Tom Care storage unit, this thing over here, I'm going to get another one. I really liked it. I only had trouble putting it together because of my back. You know, trying to bend and move, and you know, I've got some days where I can't barely do anything. But I've got days where I do better, and that's when I'll put another one together. It was just $50 or a little bit less, and I think it was worth it. And I'm still using a shoe rack over here to hold a whole lot of yarn. And that ended up being free through Wish. But I do like this Tom Care storage unit. If you click on my link, I think it's in the description box. It'll take you right to the item. And if you want, you could purchase one or two for yourself. In fact, I think they even have a bigger one. But this was enough for me to put together. And yeah, have some zip ties handy. That doesn't hurt to give it extra support. But I mean, it looks nice, and it is very sturdy. Trying to wiggle it and move it, it's not budging. But I have a stereo system. I'm going to have to get that moved over to make room for the new Tom Care storage cubular thing that I'm going to be getting. So this is just a test. Test video to see if my dollar store green screen works. So I told Granny D about it. I said, yeah, well, I spend a lot of money on a green screen for Chroma Key in your editing. Go to Dollar Tree. In fact, the green screen I use in my living room, that was a hideous green tablecloth that I think it was marked down to 50 cents a yard. So I bought up a whole mess of it. I said, yeah, I know what I can use this for. And it works. And the way I hung this, the clear tape that I had used, I'd used box tape that you tape up boxes for mailing. I come in a couple days later, it's all hanging down. I'm like, well, that didn't work. So now what do I do? Well, I saw I had a can of adhesive spray. So I tried a little, I sprayed a little on the wall, and I slid my hand up the green screen, and it stuck. I said, great, that works great. But then I had an even more brilliant idea. And it's for kids, it's washable. You know, the glue sticks the kids use in school? And I've got it right here. Hold on, I'll show you. Except I dropped the cap somewhere. Here it is. When I'm not looking for the cap, there it is. But this is Elmer's washable school glue, disappearing purple. I said, there you go. Does no harm to the walls. Spread it where you want it. Smooth your screen over. Basically, I just worried about the top and let it hang on its own. Maybe a little on the side. Try to smooth out the wrinkles. And a hairdryer set on warm. If you blow it on the screen and smooth it, that'll take out all the folded wrinkles. And if it works really well, I bought another one that I haven't opened yet. So I'll just hang on to that, maybe include that in a giveaway. You know, and I give away some yarn. Got a lot of yarn. Oh, I was looking at Oh My Granny Squares channel. I think her name is Ursula. She's such a pretty lady, and she makes the most amazing ponchos. I'm like, I need to do that, but I think she used a lighter weight. I'm so used to a 4 and up. But if you go to Oh My Granny Squares channel, and you scroll back, and she's got a lot of videos, and they're all pretty much named the same, Coffee Chat and Live. But you'll find one where she made this gorgeous blue poncho using, I think, 4 granny squares, and then she did a nice mesh type underneath, and then, oh my God, it was just gorgeous. Words cannot convey how pretty it is. I'm like, I got to do that. And all my weight yarn is mostly 4 weight and up. I am working on the Country Stitches shawl by Jada and Stitches, and it's coming out beautiful. It's just taken a while, because I doubled up the Hobie 1 weight with the Hobie 1 weight cone yarn, and I'm using, I think, a G-size hook. So when you use finer yarns, it's going to take a lot longer to get to where you want to get to, but it is really pretty. So I changed my profile picture on Facebook and on YouTube, where I've got it draped around my head. You know, so pretty. Like if you were just coming out of the hairdresser after having your hair perfectly coiffed, that would be lovely to put over your head to keep your hair from getting ruined, you know. But I'm going to keep making it bigger. It's only about 9 inches maybe. That's not enough to be a shawl. I mean, it makes a great little neck wrap, or head covering. But now I got to keep going on it. So I'm going to have to use the second ball, because there's 505 yards in each Hobie universe, which is this good sparkly stuff that I love. Sparkle is my favorite color, and glitter. So anyway, we'll see how this looks when I'm all done yabbering. And I'll break out. I have a Lion brand haul I can show you, and the beautiful thing scarf shawl I'm making. And we'll check in with you a little later, alligator. Thank you for watching.